In the previous lesson, we learned about keyword difficulty and how it tells us how hard it is to rank for a keyword. But when choosing keywords, there are two important factors you must always consider: search volume and competition. Understanding the balance between these two factors is the key to choosing the right keywords for SEO. What is search volume? Search volume simply means how many people search for a keyword on Google within a specific time period, usually every month. For example, if a keyword has a search volume of 10,000, that means around 10,000 people search for that keyword every month. Higher search volume means more potential traffic, but it also usually means more competition. What is keyword competition? Competition shows how many websites are trying to rank for the same keyword. If many strong websites are targeting the same keyword, then ranking for that keyword becomes more difficult. High competition keywords usually have established websites, strong backlinks, high authority domains. This makes them harder for new websites to rank. Many beginners make a simple mistake. They only focus on high search volume keywords. For example, a keyword like SEO might have extremely high search volume, but it is also extremely competitive. For a new website, ranking for such keywords can take years or may even be impossible. The smart SEO strategy. Instead of chasing only high search volume keywords, a better strategy is to look for keywords that have a good balance of search volume and low competition. These keywords usually fall into the category of long-tail keywords. For example, instead of targeting SEO tools, you might target best free SEO tools for beginners. This keyword may have lower search volume, but it also has lower competition, which means it is easier to rank. Let's quickly summarize what we learned. Search volume shows how many people search for a keyword. Competition shows how difficult it is to rank for that keyword. The best strategy is to target keywords that have reasonable search volume and low competition. This approach gives beginners the best chance to rank and get traffic. In the next lesson, we will learn something very practical: competitor keyword research, a strategy that many successful SEO experts use to rank their websites faster. So continue the course, and I will see you in the next lesson.